Well, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Yeah, just some things I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers, alright? First things first. I got information that police are searching for a man who lost finger during what is said to be a robbery. Now, my people, while I listen to me carefully, I think some of you might find some of the things that I'm about to say interesting. So according to information that I got, it is said that police are searching for a man who reportedly lost his finger while robbing a business establishment last year. See? According to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that police reported that the man allegedly was in the process of robbing the business establishment when he somehow accidentally shot off his own finger. Notice me say allegedly, my people. See? Now listen. So I'm going to say allegedly again. He reportedly fled the scene after taking a sum of money from the proprietor, but left his severed finger behind. Now, police gave an identity of a man who they believe is the suspect when it comes on to the robbery. And listen to the information that I got as to how police somehow gave an identity of a man, and that man is believed to be the suspect, alright? So, according to information that I got, reportedly, it is said that the finger was submitted to a forensic lab, and that's how police came up with an identity of a person who they believe is the suspect. Now, my people, me just give the information as how I got the information, see? And you know, I got the understanding that a post had been made on at least one social media page or account for the Jamaica Constabulary Force when it comes on to this whole situation, see? But anyways, you can let me know what you think about that whole situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where 3 motor vehicles crashed in Jamaica. According to more information that I got, it is said that 3 motor vehicles crashed on Spur Tree Hill Main Road, which links Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. I did not get any information about any fatality. And I got information that there are persons who was involved in the incident who received injuries. I just do not know how serious those injuries might be. Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows at least 1 motor vehicle that was on its side, viewers and subscribers. And the video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Get a boss. You don't know already.
Accident on Spur Tree Hill. 1 car, 1 van, 1 truck.
Who are them? Watch for him not come and go so fast. No man. He's a PN meter up in.
Just about 80 feet above the famous con man on Spur Tree Hill.
This guy's made a PN meter take one.
Alright, so there are the viewers and subscribers, the video that shows some things that happened at the scene of where 3 motor vehicles crashed in Jamaica. You understand? Alright, I hope that everyone really and truly alright, you know. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, when it comes on to the confrontation or altercation that happened between a person who is said to be a police officer and a person who is said to be a traffic warden within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, I got some more information about the whole situation with people. See, I want you to listen to me carefully. See, so I got the understanding that a post had been made on a social media page or account for the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. See, and let me see if I can give some information that I got from that post. And listen to me carefully. Now, words in that post that I saw said 200k bail for suspended police constable charged with assault and obstruction. So when we say 200k bail with all the dollar sign, me I say, but wait, how that pass me? Because once you hear the word bail, you understand what that mean? From police involved and you hear the word bail. But anyway, so the post have words that says a police officer who faces 6 charges, including assault and obstruction, was granted bail with surety in the sum of $200,000 to cover all charges. I'm not going to say that part of them people, you know, but more words from the post gave me the understanding that the police officer who is from a certain location and who was last attached to the Special Investigations Unit is due to appear at the Port of Spain 6th Magistrates Court on 1st March 2023 to answer to charges. Alright, so more words in the same post said a report was made to the Professional Standards Bureau bracket PSB on Monday the 30th of January or Monday 30th January in relation to an incident which occurred at Frederick Street, Port of Spain in the vicinity of Rituals Cafe House, allegedly involving a traffic warden and the PC. And you see the name right there, so again, you see me I say, me not so good with names now, my people. You understand? Because when you think a name pronounced one way, somebody might pronounce the name a different way. So sometimes me just leave out names some of the times. You see me I say? Anyway, so following the report, an investigation was conducted and the officer was arrested on Thursday, 2nd February. Or 2 February. See, so from me hear the word bail, or from me read the word bail, my head start think certain things. Anyway, so listen this now, see. So advice was sorted from the Director of Public Prosecutions, Mr. and there's a name right there, so me I say, who advised that the police officer be charged for the following offenses. These are the offenses that them say, or the post said that the police officer had been charged with. Listen now, see? 1. Assault occasioning actual bodily harm. 2. Obstructing a traffic warden in the execution of duty. 3. Obstructing a traffic warden in the execution of duty. Sound like a scratch record there, eh? Anyways, there's more to that still, see? 4. Failure to comply with the directions of a traffic warden. 5. Failure to comply with the directions of a traffic warden. 6. Failure to produce driver's permit to uniformed police officer. And more words are in this whole thing, see? Now, let me read some more and see if we can get a good understanding as to what information had been put out there as to how this whole thing started, see? So, police reports indicate that around midday on Monday, 30th January 2023, a female traffic warden was on foot patrol duty at Frederick Street, Port of Spain, dressed in uniform and accompanied by 2 other female traffic wardens who were similarly dressed. She stopped the police officer, you know, you can say the PC right there, so my people, me not good with names, so bear with me, who was driving a silver Hyundai, a type of car. Hold on, let me get to another part. Okay. So, the traffic warden allegedly informed the police officer that she observed that he was not wearing his seat belt and was talking on his cellular phone. You hear that, my people? Listen again now, see? So, the post says she then instructed him to pull to the side of the road and he failed to comply with her instructions. Listening up, the traffic warden requested the certificate of insurance and his driver's permit, and the same police officer allegedly produced the certificate of insurance but refused to hand over his driver's permit. Listen, people, listen, because we are trying to get a good understanding as to what really happened that day based on information that I put out there. So listen. So the post have some words that gave me the understanding that the police officer was then asked to produce his driver's permit by another female traffic warden, and he allegedly refused to produce same. She also requested that he pull to the side of the roadway and again. So the post said that the police officer allegedly failed to comply, and then the police officer allegedly exited the vehicle and asked to get back the certificate of insurance for the vehicle. When the traffic warden refused to hand over same, he allegedly assaulted her by pushing her against the vehicle. A police officer then arrived at the scene and requested the driver's permit of the police officer, and he again refused to produce the document. Then a stubborn one, somebody stubborn, some people. And really, he is hard one person, he is hard, so. Law, Allah. Even if you're police, law, Allah. Nobody's above the law, you know. You understand? Now, there are more than one pieces of videos that have been posted on social media that shows some things that happened during the altercation or confrontation between the man who is said to be a police officer and the person who is said to be a traffic warden. Now, I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. And I want you to please bear in mind that the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show two persons somewhat shoving and pushing each other. The video shows some things that happened during a hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, my people, so this is the video that shows some things that happened during the altercation or confrontation between two persons. One who is said to be a traffic warden and one is said to be a police officer. Now, I have more to say about this whole situation, but I want to look at this video for a while before I say some more things, alright? I would really like to hear what had been said between those persons. Look right here, my people, look. See? Now, Hold on. See, that's just look away right there, so you know. Now, if you want more understanding about the situation, I am going to let you know that I have talked about this situation in at least one previous video that I posted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about the situation. And maybe that video might give you a better understanding about the situation. So may I say, please bear in mind that there is at least one other video that had been posted on social media apart from this video that shows some things that happened on that day, viewers and subscribers. See? People, do you see how much persons reach at that location in such amount of time? Look at the amount of persons that I'm seeing in the video. Watch out. Okay. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I am about to end this video. I hope that this video was informative. You can let me know what you think about everything that I talked about in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Stay safe, walk good, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Respect.